For Margarita, family always comes first.
She moved out of her family home when she got married 15 years ago.
But until today, Margarita still takes care of the needs of her mother, Aling Lina, who lives in their hometown. Every month, Margarita sends money to her mother.
For Aling Lina's vitamins and medicines, and sometimes for a new dress.
Margarita used to send money through branch-to-branch deposit to her mother's deposit account with a large commercial bank.
She would take a 15-minute jeepney ride to the bank's branch, fill out forms, and pay 100 pesos per transaction.
To receive the money, Margarita's mother had to wait for a day, then travel for 2 hours from their house to the town center. Now, a whole new way of banking allows Margarita to make deposits directly to her mother's bank account.
Using her mobile phone at the speed of text messaging. With the introduction of text-to-deposit, one of the new mobile phone banking applications developed by the Microenterprise Access to Banking Services, or MABS program,
Margarita can transfer GCash, the electronic money platform of Globe Telecom, to her mother's deposit account. Margarita does this with one step.
Sending instructions using the GCash menu to an accredited GCash partner bank where her mother can easily open a deposit account.
The bank receives her text-a-deposit instructions and deposits the proceeds to the account of Margarita's mother. At the same time, Margarita gets a confirmation message that the bank received her GCash deposit.
To claim the deposited funds, all Aling Lina must do is go to her bank branch and present a valid ID. Not only is transferring funds easy with text-a-deposit,
Margarita has discovered that sending deposits to her mother's account through text-a-deposit is also safe and convenient. And more, text-a-deposit makes it easy for Margarita to increase her own savings.
she also uses text-a-deposit to transfer a portion of her business sales to her deposit account.
On days when business is good, Margarita tried to set aside some of her income as savings.
Most of the time, she would end up spending, or worse, misplacing the money before she could deposit it at her bank branch.
Using a text-a-deposit service, Margarita now uses her mobile phone to send a portion of her daily sales to her bank at the end of each day.
No need to beat banking hours. No more worries about carrying money around or how to get home before dark. And no more waiting for her turn to make the deposit. Sending a simple text message with deposit instructions is so easy. She can transfer the money to savings before she's tempted to spend it.
What's more, Margarita also accepts GCash as payment for the products she sells in her store.
So text-to-deposit makes it easy for her to send her sales proceeds back to the bank. It is so much easier than accepting credit cards. Rural banks are now offering mobile phone banking and mobile commerce solutions so that their clients can now send money, make money, and save money by using their mobile phones. It puts a whole new meaning to SMS.